We're at one of the biggest sneaker malls in Southern California. And I say that because they got tons of sneaker shops here. We're in Ontario Mills. Let's start with this Foot Locker. Foot Locker is pretty massive. But the real question is, what them deals like? Huh? We do got a lot of sales items, kind of like everyone else right now. We got the foam posits. These are the copper ones right here on sale. Cortez right here. We've seen some super low Cortez prices, as well as some classic pairs up there. All of the Vomeros on sale, but I feel like some of the other spots have been a little more competitive. Like, man, all black, can't go wrong with all black. One thing they have been competitive with is the AE prices. I think Foot Locker has the best sales on AEs right now. Apparently these are some AEs as well, or some people call them hardened volume 8s. Yeah, what was this going for over there? Was it the same price, or was it $40 at the Adidas outlet? Just saw them. This is the Adidas sales section. Right here, they got plenty of items. We've seen these at so many different Rosses. These are going for $100 here. We've been seeing them for 10 bucks. They got all their AEs on sale. Such great prices. Look at this one too. I like this one. I like this chrome one, 100 bucks. And then all their books on sale as well. These are the Forrest Gumps, inspired by the Forrest Gump Cortez. And then all their other books on sale as well. Oh, I guess not this one yet. Now I just realized I still haven't seen these on sale. Not seen these. These are the Air Morph Tempo Lows. I was hoping to find this one on sale, but haven't seen them at the outlets, man. Look at this, Liz. They put a temporary door in the middle. What the hell? All right, I am skipping this Champs. One of the biggest reasons I wanted to come because of this store right here. I think they got buy one, get one 50 off a bunch of stuff. They have that sign everywhere. I do want to see if they have anything for one of my workers. I don't think they will. Not very optimistic. Do got a Barnett jersey right here. $90. 170. What? No, that's a Cooper cut. No, didn't we see a bunch on sale for like way cheap? Oh no, those were the Aaron Donalds. 60 double XL. Morant jersey right here. These are going for 90. AD's going for 60. Brazil jersey or Brazil t-shirt, $23. Wembenyama jersey right here. I don't know about this color though. $90. A couple of these in a large. Lakers medium t-shirt right here. What they talking about? They talking $30. LA Kings, 50 bucks. Mitchell and S hoodie right here. All right, they definitely don't have the stuff I'm looking for. Prices are kind of whatever too right now. Yeah, I'm looking for some sports stuff for my worker. Yeah, they definitely don't have anything on clearance. I might just have to buy something at regular price. $20 for this. I already bought these. I bought a 4-pack of these for my worker. They're normally 20 bucks each, which is freaking insane. Yeah, 20 bucks each. They're down to 5. I ended up getting them for like $3, something like that. It was 40% off. So I bought a 4-pack for him. Got some socks right here, $10. Where's your mom? What are these normally? They're normally 17. Some Luka Mavs stance socks right here, 10 bucks. Normally 22. They do have certain players for 30% off. All the Nash ones. Got Gary Payton alternative jersey right there. Oh, but that's it. I thought they had more. Just the 2 players. New England, I don't think he would want any jersey for them because they suck right now. Throwback jersey, that bird would be pretty dope. I'm just not used to paying regular price. Usually can find stuff for cheap. God dang it. But they do have the buy one get 150 off. They do have some of these cups or tumblers and stuff like that, but they're really pricey, dude. $35 for a tumbler. Buy one get 150 off, not bad. But I don't think he needs multiple tumblers. They got Lakers ones, Yankees ones. They got Warriors, the U. They got the U right here, $30. Cowboys, they got Green Bay, they got the Raiders. They got barbecue grill flippers right there. All kinds of teams. What they talk about for the price? What they talking about? $28. Does seem like, ooh, it does seem very sturdy. They got coasters. But they just have They just have the Packers though. I don't even see what the price is, huh? No, nothing. Dang, I might just have to go to Dick's tomorrow. Oh wait, I'm stupid. I'm going to Dick's outlet right after this. Oh, okay. All right, I didn't find what I was looking for, but we'll search. One of the biggest sheiks who's had the best sales lately, right? Grab those two Jordan 1 Hot OGs on sale, 20% off, already reduced prices. These SEs right here, these go down big time. What, 55 bucks? And Reimagined right here. These got like no love whatsoever. I can't believe these are still out. Been a year and a half since they released. How do they still have them? Jordan 2s, grab them cheaper than at Ross because they go down to 40 bucks after the discount. Mids right here in the women's section under, what is that, under 50 bucks? $48 for those. Got the 5s right there on sale, the 3s. And then get all these for an additional 20% off. All right, these are clean. I'd rather wear these than Air Forces, dude. I don't know. Leather, probably slightly better. Not too much. I feel like they should have signs that show that, hey, we have that extra 20% off. Like that every time I come to Chic, they never have signs. Like, really? Really? Yeah, these go down to 48 bucks. That'll match with all your Lakers gear right there. These go down, what? These go down to what, 56 bucks? I gotta do too much math for you guys. So the coconut milk also on sale. We're starting to see more of the Air Max DN8s. And I like these better than the regular DNs. I like it how it goes across the whole thing. And it reminds me of these shocks right here, how it goes across all of them. And of course, I mean all on the midsole. Look at this, like these go down to $80. Like, isn't that similar to the Nike outlets? Except that Bolt one that we saw at the last Nike outlet. I even made a short, so hopefully you guys caught that. So yeah, these go down to $40 for these dunks right here. These are women's pairs. They got a bunch of them go for under 40 or under $50, which is comparable to the outlets, man. Might be cheaper than some of the outlets because the outlets only being given 20% off, and some of them don't even have any discounts right now. I heard Citadel, orange, and even Air Force Ones in a black. Really? Air Force One and a black on sale. Really? Really? Wow. Wow. Raider fans don't want sneakers lately, apparently. And then yeah, I do got these on sale, man. That's what's up. Like, they got multiple Gazelles. Look at this Gazelle right here going for $40 after discount. And look at this, 20 something dollars. What is this? 24 bucks. 24 bucks for Gazelles. Really? 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 And then another one go for 40. Yeah, and then I really like these Gazelles, man. The paisley ones. I know I showed you guys these, but these look dope, dude. Definitely got way more flavor than all these other Gazelles. Got Sambas. We got the Messies right here. These are the Messy Sambas, right? And then another one right here. Both colorways go for an additional 20 off of 90, so 72 bucks. And then they got all those going for 80, which is a little bit more than Foot Locker, to be honest. They got the latest colorway right here, the gray ones. And then they got runners too, Adidas runners. Supposed to be hella comfortable. Let me know what you guys think about Light Strike. Is it better than ZoomX? I don't know. And then they do have the Bad Bunny Campus right here. $130 for these, another 20% off. That gets close to 100 bucks. Close to 100 bucks. This does have that weird extra padding and so. Oh no. This is extra padding. This is actually a cover. Cover is supposed to be like the Travis Scotts and stuff like that. Looks weird as hell, but yeah, they got them, man. They got them under 100 bucks or close to 100 bucks. They also have extra discounts on apparel that's already been discounted, but I don't think they have the stuff that I'm looking for. They got this jacket right here. What the hell is this? Huh? That's kind of interesting. But I'm looking for specific merch. They don't have it, and I don't see any big sales either. Maybe this is a sales section right here. $20 off of these right here. These are actually more than $20. These are 60 down to 20. Then they have additional discounts on top. Wow. They got the shorts and stuff like that right here. Pretty sure these are women's shirts, but no discounts on these. So it just kind of depends. You're gonna have to look around it. You have to look around. Too lazy to do all that right now. Only a couple more stores left. They do got multiple colorways of the Rejuvenate slides right here. These are going for $60. Nike finally made some slides that really hit. You know, with the general public at least, I've always liked the Air Morph Tempo sides. I've always liked the Jordan Hydros, but these finally hit with the general public. They got the Kobe slides right here. Wonder if these are as comfortable. Look at the midsole, just nothing close to the Rejuvenate slides. 42 for those. They did get a restock of the Kobe Air Forces. Last time I came here, I think I picked them up here, right? New Vomero colorway right here. If you really like that bling bling. Got that gold color on it. $170 for these. And one of the stores we just went to, they had these on sale, right? One of the stores we went to had them on sale. So even in the same mall, you just shop around, save a few dollars. New colorway of the Shox R4s right here. I've never seen this colorway. That red really does pop. You can wear this with all your Jordan. You can wear this with all your Chicago gear or Niners gear too. Sales on the New Balance section right here. What are these? The 1000s? I've never even heard of the 1000s. 1906s right there. Where's the sales? Oh, here's the sales size. 2002 R's going for $90. These also go for $90. 327s, right? 327s right here. And I don't know all the other numbers. New Balance does use up some really good material on a lot of their shoes. This is the sales section for the Nikes, the bottom section right there. Then they got the city shoes. They came out with these in multiple colorways and they're all on sale. I don't know what the original price was. Probably like $100, something like that. $90 maybe, I don't know. And does this spot get releases? I was pretty sure most of the stores here don't get releases. I think, now think about it, maybe that Chic does get releases. Maybe Nike changed their policy. One of the ladies who works at one of the kiosks came up to me all aggressively. Hey, we could whiten your teeth in just 20 minutes. I'm like, damn, dude, get me all self-conscious about my teeth and shit. What the heck? I guess we are starting to see these on sale at most spots. I don't think people really appreciate the old school nature of those. Forrest Gumps, man. I fool ran across the country in those, man. And then he just stopped all of a sudden and said, nah, I'm good, I'm done, I'm done. You got this colorway as well. Forrest Gump was such a freaking good movie, dude. Such a good movie. And I'm not even like a movie critic or anything, but it was so good. Felt bad for him. You keep going to that whore. What the hell? No, yeah, whatever. But yeah, dude got Spizikes right here. Starting to see Spizikes on sale. I've been saying, hey, never see these at the outlets because they do sell out. Oh, but I think Shoe Palace had them on sale for a little bit. RM's on sale. Tech Challenges on sale. Classic colorway right there. See a lot of sales, but it's just on like this stuff. I just showed you guys these. That other spot, the city shoes. And dunks and dunks. More dunks and more dunks on sale. I guess I did neglect this section over here. And I do have these at home. I grabbed these for hella cheap. I did grab my size. I think I grabbed them for like $40 or something like that. Do I really need them? Probably not. Do I buy way too much crap? Yeah, probably so. But I do got these. More of the Spizikes, only a size 11 though. And it's only $20 off. Jordan 1 High OGs or Jordan 1 Low OGs right here. $60 off the Lucas. That's a hell of a price. They got the Tech Challenges right here. They also have them on the wall back there. What's up with that? I got a few other items. 55 for these right here. That's not bad. Have they always had this store? Because they have a factory store just like 2 miles away as well. Oh, I think that's new. I think this is new. These Invincible runs as mall walkers, just amazing. My feet are so comfy right now. Look at this. I'm already at what? 10,000 steps? 9,800 steps for the day. Damn, I went around the whole mall because I was like, there's a Burlington. No, it's on the other side. Dude, I think I'm done. They even have a resale shop and an outlet mall, which is freaking crazy. Yeah, they have a Marshalls on this side. God dang it, I thought this was the Burlington. I guess. 60% off. We'll check Reeboks and some here. I thought the Reebok outlet was closed. They did close the one in the Citadel. 60% off the back wall over here. But to be honest, what has Reebok even come out with recently? Dang, dude, I don't see nothing. Shaq, Iverson, where you guys at with Reebok basketball? I know you guys just started, but they just got like these dad shoes looking things and stuff. Like, really? Who's, like, come on, dude, really? Who's this one actually ain't that bad. Classic leather. These are 70, get 60 off. But most of this stuff, really, like, who's Who's buying this stuff? I think I just hit my 10,000 steps. Who's buying this stuff? Yeah, they just got this with like Zig Tech. These are actually comfortable. I did have a Zig Tech a long time ago. They're heavy though. They are heavy. But yeah, literally nothing, dude. Nothing. I guess I came to show you guys that they got nothing. Yeah, we're out. We're out.